How many journeys can a single vessel truly make before the universe, in its cold indifference, reclaims its very essence? For too long, the Crew Dragon Endeavor, designated C206, was bound by an unseen anchor, an edict of finitude. A mere 5 missions. This limit, a rigorous mandate born from NASA's own safety regulations, whispered a lie into its very design, suggesting a predetermined, finite number of returns. It was an imposed boundary on a craft built, paradoxically, to touch the infinite. But what happens when a machine, forged for the void, quietly, defiantly, rebels against its predetermined fate? What hidden forces allow for such a profound transformation? The cosmos, it seems, has demands that transcend human-drawn lines. It whispers of untraveled paths, of a future where its vastness is not just observed, but explored with unwavering, persistent reach. Endeavor C206, chosen not by chance but by the sheer crucible of its prior existence, its extensive, real-world exposure to the full, grueling mission cycle, was uniquely positioned. In August 2025, a date now etched into the annals of spaceflight, it embarked upon a historic 6th mission. This was far more than just another flight, it was a defiant declaration, a live-fire test for extending its very essence, pushing it beyond that paltry initial count of 5 to an astonishing, almost unbelievable, 15 missions. The trajectory of space exploration shifted in that moment. To achieve such a profound extension, to unlock this new potential, Endeavor endured a certification campaign of unprecedented rigor. Over 360 of its vehicle elements, the very sinews and circuits that define its being, were meticulously audited, each component scrutinized for hidden weaknesses. Its parts faced trials on the unforgiving ground, not simply inspected, but tested to a brutal 50-flight durability standard, pushing them to their breaking points, and then, inexplicably, beyond. By early 2026, Endeavor's unwavering spirit was undeniable, having accumulated over 900 cumulative days in orbit. This monumental achievement stood in stark contrast to its predecessors, a silent, yet powerful, validation of the Crew Dragon's fundamental design durability against the relentless march of time and the harsh, abrasive embrace of space itself. Yet, even as we reach for the stars, the elements of our pale blue dot still lay claim. The advanced Pica X material of Endeavor's heat shield, theoretically capable of withstanding hundreds of low Earth orbit returns, harbors a peculiar terrestrial vulnerability, the insidious crawl of saltwater corrosion after each splashdown. A subtle contradiction, perhaps, but one that demanded meticulous resolution. NASA and SpaceX, in a symbiotic dance with the infinite, completed exhaustive reviews of over 360 certification elements by mid-2025. It was a meticulous process, ensuring that even the most subtle earthly threats would not halt a cosmic ambition of such magnitude. The ground beneath us still holds secrets, even for those who fly above. This extended Dragon certification campaign is not merely about one resilient vessel. It aims, strategically, to triple the lifespan of an entire fleet of 5, driven by a growing, truly insatiable global demand for both governmental and private missions. Endeavor stands as more than just a spacecraft, it is a profound testament, a cosmic storyteller, bridging the known and the infinite, proving that what was once deemed finite can, and indeed will, transcend. If this is true here, for a machine born of human hands and limits, what does that imply about the other, deeper boundaries we believe hold true, out there in the vast, still unexplained dark? We found the pattern. We still don't know why,